You know, this is a celebratory evening. We're celebrating all of our accomplishments. You know, people are moving here. People are doing big things in their lives. Starting businesses, you know, and we're really proud of everyone around us. And we just want to celebrate that. And, you know, yeah, Happy New Year.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Julia B, and today I'm here to do a Amazon wig review. So I already took the wig out, washed it, bleached it, bleached it, plucked it, and we're gonna put it on. So the hair is from NADULA hair. It's a 18-inch T-part wig. Now y'all know, if you've been on my channel before, you know I love me a good Amazon wig, and this wig is from Amazon. You can get it on Amazon Prime, a couple days. They give you a lot of stuff in your package. First of all, it comes in a really nice silk bag, which I like to put my wigs back in the silk bags if they give you a silk bag. And we got a wig cap, scarf, some clips, which these are really good quality clips, so I give them that. And some lashes that are actually nice. So yeah, that's that. Let's get straight into this, put on this wig, because I got somewhere to be, honey. I got somewhere to be. I'm going out to dinner tonight in the city with my friends. So I'm gonna show y'all me putting this wig on, and then I might put a couple clips from dinner in tonight so we can see. It could be a little vloggy mix, So this T-part lace, let me show it to y'all. Basically, if you haven't seen any of the T-part lace wigs, it's just laced straight across the front, all the way across the front, like a frontal, and then it's just laced right in the part. So if you really don't know how to put on, or if you want minimal lace, like you want a minimal look, you don't want to have to, you don't care about parting it everywhere, you want to pop it on and go, I really would suggest T-part wig. This is my second time reviewing a T-part wig, and I really like the first one too. It's not like lifting on the sides when I cut this off.
Didn't you see it doing these?
Waiting for the longest time. I've been trying. Can't shake this feeling I've been holding on to. I've been trying. And I notice you've been pacing not a fan? What do you not understand? Remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night, all I did was cry. Said, remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night, and all I did was cry. Now you're acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. You're putting on too much, I call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want ya, keep it moving. Bye, boy, bye, goodbye. I think it's all overrated. Or could it be that I'm jaded? I don't love you no more. I'm ready to explore. So long to you, thought I knew you. Guess I didn't have your heart. So long to you, thought I knew you. I'm ready for a brand new start. Acting all hard through the breakup. The only back around here is my makeup. You're putting on too much, call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up. Boy, I'm tired. But you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over, move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. One jack, keep it moving. Boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye.
Hair came out. I'm like in my friend's hotel. Hey, stop talking. I'm trying to end my video. So this is how the hair came out. I'm in my friend hotel. I just want to show y'all the end result because I did not film me curling the hair, but y'all know how to curl. But the hair looks good, right? Let me turn it around. The hair is actually fire. Like the lace hidden. The curls. The curls fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair review, and if you haven't seen the other one, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
All like niggas, all like bitches, all like nobody. You know, this is a celebratory evening. We're celebrating all of our accomplishments. Happy New Year.
Okay, so I noticed this is the end of the video. Like, I technically ended it, but I wanted to come back and show y'all how it looks like a couple days later. So I did add some baby hair. I didn't add baby hair the first time because I ran out of time. So yeah, and I cut like a couple layers in the front, not a lot, but as y'all can see, like the hair is really good. I will say the only thing I don't like is it's not a lot of like space to even like once you make baby hair, it's nothing else. Like, so I don't know, you really can't have a lot of baby hair. It's like very minimal lace on the edges. So that's my only thing I don't really like. But other than that, the hair though is beautiful. Like the actual hair on the wig is A1. So yeah, so this is actually really the end of the video. I just want to come give y'all a little couple day update because I've been wearing this hair for like 3 or 4 days now, and I haven't washed it. I did recurl it today, so these are fresh curls, but the curls I had the other day really lasted and they like felt really cute. So Amazon girl, you did it again, girl. Amazon did it again. So again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one, the next hair review, the next hair video. Hopefully I can get some color going. So yeah, see y'all next time.
With me, but you've been fired, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye.